I got that heat, boy.
Japanese, you young go, are you kidding me?
Hey guys, what's popping? It's your boy Naked Chart Trader, and I'm back with another video. And this time I will be analyzing CADJPY. And I know I haven't been posting anything in a while, but today I've decided to drop this video to show you guys exactly what it is that I see on this particular pair. And I hope you guys do pick up notes and add to your trading plan, as I believe this can be very beneficial for you. And without wasting any further time, I will be just hopping right into the analysis and analyze this pair for you guys. And so let me just start by identifying the market conditions, like if this is a uptrend or a downtrend, or is it just a ranging market. And as you can see, it's clear and obvious that this is a ranging market on the higher time frame, as I can just identify these turning points on the higher time frame where the price tends to reverse it. So there's the first turning point. You can see here at the top we have 1, 2, and a third touch. We are currently at the third touch, and we are seeing rejection. We are seeing signs of rejection at the top of this zone at the top. So what we expect on this pair is that price should go to the downside, because it has been proven in the past. Whenever price comes here, it went down. When it comes here, it went down. So we expect the same thing on this particular incident, where price will go to the downside, and we'll hope to find evidence on the lower time frame or confirmations on the lower time frame to support our theory on the higher time frame. So let me just go down. Let me just go down to the 1 day time frame to explain exactly what it is that I see on this particular pair. And as you can see, this is quite a uptrend. This is an uptrend as we're making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Now we are at a new higher high of this uptrend that we see on the 1 day time frame. This is the uptrend that we see on the higher time frame. But this uptrend can also be seen as a reversal pattern, which I will identify now by connecting the highs of this channel and also the lows of this channel by duplicating the trend line to put at the bottom of the zone or at the channel. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. And so we expect the reversal to drop to the bottom of this channel. This is the reversal channel. This is actually a ascending channel that plays the role of a reversal pattern. So I will, let me see what I can spot here. So this is also like a zone where price tends to reverse. You can see the reverse is supported, and here broke and retested and acted as resistance. Also here, and here. As you can see, then it broke out, came for the third touch of this pattern, the third touch of the pattern. And so now we are above the pattern, and we are looking for further confirmation or evidence that price is going to the downside. So I will just be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and what I did previously, I will just connect the highs, okay, and the lows too. Then we find something like this. But let me see if there's another thing I can find. This. Okay. But I'll leave it like this, which is this pattern, a reversal pattern also. So this is a reversal pattern within a reversal pattern. You can see that we have two reversal patterns, so that confirms to us that price is indeed going to the downside. Okay. And so you can also see here that we had this continuation pattern. Hence we see that price broke out impulsively towards the third touch of this smaller pattern. And there's something that they call the structural approach in a pattern. Like we have a clear middle section, an impulse to the upside. So what we expect here is like a clear rejection, then a continuation pattern to take us to the downside, So that is what we expect. This is how we look at the markets and enter to capitalize on these opportunities. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame, where I think things should look a bit more clear. And so you can see here we are at a higher time, at a 1 hour time frame, and you can see here it was impulse, continuation pattern, impulse, continuation pattern, impulse. Now we're at another continuation pattern, which we anticipate something like this to occur, to go to the downside. This is what we expect on this pair. As you can see, it's going to the downside, and we're hoping to hit the lower trend line and take this as the entry strategy, which will be above this. We are hoping to create a triple top, like first touch, second touch, third touch. At the third touch, we enter based on the candlestick confirmations, and then we enter for a risk entry position, and then we are entering our reduced risk entry position at the bottom, something like this. Then we will go with the bearish momentum to the downside. As you guys can see, this is it that I see on this pair, and obviously for it to go lower and lower to the downside, for it to go to the downside. But our first TP will be at here, will be around here. Our first TP will be at the top of this higher high. That's where our first TP will be at, and our second TP obviously around these areas. And also here can be another TP. Just identify the highs of this pattern, the smaller pattern, to mark the take profit areas. So that's it. So this is it on CADJPY. As you can see, I expect the bearish momentum to kick in and take us all the way to the downside. As you can see here, we are at a high, and we expect a reversal at the top. We also found multiple confirmations to tell us that this pair will go to the downside to hit these areas, at least to go to the downside. So let me just go back to the higher time frame to show you guys what I am talking about. 1 day time frame. So this is the structure that we see. This is the reversal pattern. This is another reversal pattern, And as you can see, what we have spoken about on the lower time frame is for those those continuation patterns to occur so that you can take it on and capitalize on this trading opportunity. So that's it from my side on the space. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as I will be dropping similar content to this one in the future, in the near future I should say, because I will be dropping another video tomorrow on another pair. And if you can just comment in the comment section on which pair do you think I should analyze, I will to assist you guys in analyzing your preferable pair. So without wasting any time, I would like to end this video now and hope to see you guys on my next video, which will be dropping tomorrow. Stay safe and God bless.